Hey, yeah, guys, hello, welcome back again to my channel. I'm sorry, I don't know, I didn't create any single video, right, for the last maybe 1 or 2 weeks. Yes, I'm sorry because, I ran into some problem, I got trouble because, that's actually like few days ago, I accidentally delete like some of my drivers in Linux, and that's really fuck up, sorry. So like my Linux crashed, and I cannot use my Linux anymore, so like I have to reinstalling the OS again, and that's some kind of problem that I got, but here I just want to give the updates because now I'm back to using Windows anyway again, now I'm using Windows again because like that's the problem that I got, because I delete like some drivers, like some really important drivers, in Linux, so my Linux crashed and I can't use it anymore. Like the only thing that I can I can do to download all my previous driver is by installing Windows again, and then I did the update, so yeah. Anyway, thank you Windows. I mean, like, I really love Linux, but like that's a problem and I have to back to Windows again, and I think now I will use Windows, just but don't worry, okay? As you can see, here I even haven't activated my Windows, because I don't have the license, okay? Maybe if you have one, you can give me, like, okay? But actually here, I have the things that I want to show you guys, which is the terminal here, okay? Uh, Actually we can use Linux, in our Windows, by using WSL, okay? Or okay, you can just type like this, okay? Actually, in here I already update and install the Ubuntu, but maybe if you haven't, you can just do it, okay? Just follow me on this thing, okay? Sorry, okay, just let's do this, okay? Just you can type the WSL. No, sorry. Make sure you update, okay? You update first. You have to update, okay? In here, okay, I already have the most recent version, which is that's good. And then you can type, let me see, just you can actually type the install, like this, I'm using Ubuntu Linux, Linux Ubuntu, okay? So maybe you can choose, like, for the was let's check the list, okay? As you can see here, okay, I already installed my Ubuntu here, okay, which is, let's log in to my Ubuntu here using the terminal, let's, you can see, okay, and this working perfectly, like this, okay. Sorry, sudo apt update, okay, like this, okay, just input my password and then it will update the repository for you guys, okay. So here, let's check my NeoFetch here. I already installed NeoFetch, as you can see here. Okay, I have Ubuntu, right? Ubuntu 22, right? LTS version. Okay, so that's the thing. So that's the thing, maybe I will continue the Linux series, but maybe from the WSL, or maybe I can install like via virtual machine, actually. Okay, but that's the thing that I want to tell you guys. Okay, so hopefully I can share more Windows content as well, for you guys, okay, and also for the Linux, so thank you so much everyone, for watching this video, okay. I hope this can help you, and maybe if you have the same problem with me, like you are doing something with your Linux and you get some problem, like, you can just comment, maybe I can help you, okay. Just don't worry, okay. Just so, thank you everyone, goodbye, and see you on the next video. Bye.